How to fix and solve TikTok app recharge problem. If any day you are facing TikTok app recharge problem on your mobile device and you would like to solve it, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. First of all, in the search section of your mobile device, search TikTok out there. After you search TikTok out there, you can see the very TikTok interface there. Now you have to tap on TikTok for a while. After you tap on TikTok for a while, you can see the very interface like this. After that, you have to go to the very I option or the app information. For that, you have to tap on TikTok for a while. And after you tap on TikTok for a while, you have to go to the option of the app information. And just going to the I option or there, you can go to the interface of the app information. And after you reach to the app information, you can see the interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of notification. After you go to the option of notification, you have to enable allow notification. You also need to enable allow sound and vibration. After that, you have to go back again. After going back, you have to go to the option of permissions. After going to the option of permission, you have to check with the camera, contacts, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notification, photos and videos have been provided permissions or not. If they have been provided permission, you have to go back and go to the option of set as default. After you go to the option of set as default, you have to enable open supported links, and after that you have to go back again. After you go back, you have to scroll down until you find the option of storage, and when you find the option of storage and if there is any cache, you have to go to the option of clear down the cache. After you clear down the cache, you have to go back again. After that, you can see the option of app details in store. Now you have to tap on app details in store. After tapping on app details in store, if there is any update available, you need to update your very application. Otherwise, your problem is solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.